giving that free work. Let's call it overtime. And cool with many when they know it's mine. And cool with many when they know she's fine. Been losing too many friends when they don't got that grind. If they don't got that mind, especially up over matters when it matter, boy. Walk it if you talking that cheddar, boy. Especially where I'm from, they aiming for your bladder. Yes, I'm taking back what's mine. No more wasting all that time. No, I got the pole, go out the window, we drove.